Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying firmware and preparing backups. This prevents data loss. First, check BIOS shows Uefi mode and run msinfo32 to confirm. Once done, create a full disk image and verify it. Store it off the machine. Make sure you have install media ready and free space for an EFI system partition. Now, boot to recovery or install media and open a command prompt. You will convert partitions without rebuilding OS, so proceed step by step and stay focused. You now perform the core conversion. Use diskpart on Windows or gdisk on other systems to convert MBR to GPT. First, shrink or move partitions as needed to free space for a 100-500 MB FAT32 EFI system partition. Once created and flagged as an ESB, format it FAT32 and assign a drive letter. Then copy or recreate EFI boot files using BCD boot on Windows, or install an EFI loader for Linux. Make sure to update partition GUID and mount points. You finish by entering firmware setup and switching boot mode to UEFI. Disable Legacy or CSM and select the new EFI entry. After saving, reboot. If the system boots, verify drivers and disk integrity. If it fails, boot recovery media and run BCD boot or boottrek on Windows, or use fbootnger and grub install for Linux. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see no EFI entries, restore the ESB contents from your backup image before retrying. That often resolves missing bootloader issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.